Good morning, all of you. So, today we are going to discuss the solution of your unit test number 1. Now, this video is for class 6 only and the subject is computer. Okay, in this video, we are going to see the solution of this unit test that you have given on 17th of August. Yes, and you know that the total marks were 40. The paper was divided into 3 parts. First part was fill in the blanks, second part was true and false, and the third part was short answer questions. Yes, now let us see our section number 1, that is completely fill in the blanks. Now see the first answer. Dash was developed by John Beckers. The answer that you had to write is Fortran. Fortran. Okay, this is the answer for first one, Fortran. Second one, dash refers to combining of two or more cells. This answer is very easy. The answer is your merging. MERGING, merging. Now, see the third one. A dash has a rectangular box which is formed by the intersection of rows and columns. The answer is cell. Okay, CELL, cell. Now for the fourth one, dash is a presentation of data using rows and columns. Now I don't know why most of the students have written tabular in this answer, but beta tabular is not the correct answer. The answer is table. Okay, table is a presentation of data using rows and columns. Now see the fifth one. Basic and Fortran are two dash level languages. The answer is quite easy. It is high. HIGH, high. Now the sixth one. We use translators to convert program into your machine language. Machine language. Okay, if you have written machine language, then also I have given you the marks. Or if you have written machine code, then also I have given you the marks. Okay, but for high level language, I have not given you the marks. Now see the seventh question. Dash invented C++. Now the answer, you know it very well. We are having this answer in that exercise portion. The answer is BJARNE, Bjarne, STROUSTRP, Bjarne Stroustrup. Okay. Now, see the eighth one. Dash key is used to move to the next cell. Now the answer is tab. TAB. I don't know why you have written TAP. Either you are cheating from your companion's copy. I don't know what you have done. But tab is not a correct answer. Tab key is a correct answer. Okay. For the ninth one, dash language contains the digits 0 and 1 only. The answer is machine. MACHINE, machine. For the last one, 10th one, see, a dash is a tool you use to access the internet. The answer is web browser. Now, if you have written web browser, then also I have given you the marks. If you have written internet browser, then also I have given you the marks. Plus, if you have written only the browser, then also I have given you the marks. But in your examination, only these two answers will be accepted. Okay, only this browser will not be acceptable. Now, for those students who have written Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and all those things, Beta, I have not given you any marks because these are only the applications, not your correct answer. And web browser or internet browser is something common one. Okay, so for the most appropriate one, you go for these two ones, web browser or internet browser. So this was your section number 1. Total it contains 10 marks. One answer for 1 mark. Okay. Moving forward to your section number 2. See, section number 2 was about true or false. Now, see the 11th one. Splitting of cells refers to the joining of a single cell in a table into another cell. Now, you know what is splitting? Splitting means you are taking a single cell and you are splitting it up into more cells. But over here it is quite reversed one. So this is not the correct answer. The answer is your false. For the second one, 12th one, the vertical data is known as a row. Clearly it is false. I don't think I need to explain this again. 13th one, shading is used to emphasize an area by giving a color. Yes, shading is corresponded to giving a color. So this is true. The 14th one, K202 is a popular microcomputer. This is not a correct answer. Yes, so this one is your false. 15th, Seymour Cray designed the first supercomputer. Yes, it is true. For the 16th one, a mobile device is a general term for any type of handheld computer. Yes, a mobile is also a handheld computer type. So this is also your true one. 17th one, formula translation is a full form of Fortran. Yes, FOR stands for formula and TRAN stands for translation. So this is your true answer. For the 18th one, Pascal is a language that uses a turtle graphic. Now, Pascal is not the language basically. The language for turtle graphic is particularly Logo. Yes, you remember? So this is false one. 18th is your false. For the 19th one, Java was developed by Sun Microsystems. Yes, it is completely true. It is developed by Sun Microsystem. 20th one, each individual rectangle unit is called a cell. Obviously, it is also a true one. So, your section number 2 was of true or false. Total it contains 10 marks and one answer is for 1 mark. Okay, so for section number 1 10 marks, section number 2 10 mark, total 20 marks. Now the remaining 20 marks is of section number 3. Okay, now see over here we are having 5 questions and every question contains 4 marks, so that is why total section is of 20 marks. Now for the first answer, what do you mean by embedded computer? I hope you know the answer. It is from the exercise portion. Differentiate between rows and columns. You know very well, rows are horizontal data, columns are vertical data. Only this much you have to write down. For the 23rd one, name any two popular supercomputers and microcomputers. Now, two supercomputer you had to write down, two microcomputer you had to write down. Okay, most of you have written supercomputer correctly, but I don't know why, what happened to you microcomputers you have not done correctly. Microcomputers are basically what? Either your desktop or your laptops or your mobile phones. These are your microcomputers. Okay. Now, for the 24th one, define the merging and splitting up of cells. Now, in the 24th question, you had to write down two definitions particularly. One definition is for merging of cell. Second definition is for splitting up of cell. Now you know what is merging. When we are combining two or more rows into a single row. Yes, into a column, particularly column we are talking about, two or more columns into a single column, then it is merging. And if we are taking only one single cell and we are dividing it into multiple cell, either 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, then this particular procedure goes under your splitting up of cells. Okay, this much only you had to write down in 24th one. Now for the last one, 25th, List the name of 4 methods of transferring data from one device to another device. Now, my dear students, this 25th question was not from the exercise 1. It is from the inside of the book. Okay. Now, I told you 50% from the inside and 50% from the outside one. So, this is from the inside one, and this is the question of your first chapter. 4 methods only you had to write down. That is copy and paste using keyboard shortcut keys, drag and drop, and the fourth one is send to. You can easily find this thing in your book. Okay, so section number 3, total 20 marks, 4 marks for every question. Now this is about your unit test number 1 paper solution. Okay, now one more thing I would like to tell you is that about half yearly. I hope you all are having the syllabus for half yearly one. We are having chapter number 1, chapter number 3 and chapter number 5 for half yearly. Okay, I know that we have done chapter number 2, but no problem. The reduced syllabus does not contain this chapter number 2. You cut down this one. Okay, it is not going to come in your examination. You don't have to learn this chapter. Now for the fourth one as well, we have done the explanation part now. So you just cross this one also. Both these chapters are not going to come in your examination. For the half yearly, we are having 1, 3 and 5. And you know that for the unit test, we have already completed these 2 chapters, 1 and 3. So we are left with only one chapter, that is chapter number 5. Okay. So you note down your half yearly syllabus into the content of your book. That would be helpful. Now, for today, we are stopping up till now only. Now, for the next turn, we will start our chapter number 5. Okay. So till then, you stay safe and thank you so much.